When you think of truck of the year, your mind might immediately picture rugged pickups. But the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 and its electric counterpart, the 2024 eSprinter 2500, are here to challenge that notion. These full-size vans redefine versatility, offering a seamless blend of practicality, innovation, and even luxury. Perfect for businesses, tradespeople, and van life enthusiasts alike, the Sprinter series delivers on every front. Let's start with performance. The diesel-powered Sprinter 2500 impresses with its precise steering and all-wheel drive capability. Whether navigating city streets, tackling off-road trails, or hauling heavy loads, it does so with confidence. Meanwhile, the electric eSprinter offers eco-conscious drivers a smooth, rear-wheel drive experience. Though both models are far from speed demons, taking over 10 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, their refined handling and reliability more than make up for it. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels more like a luxury vehicle than a cargo van. Mercedes doesn't cut corners here. The Sprinter is equipped with a multifunction steering wheel, the MBUX infotainment system, and an optional 10.3-inch touchscreen. Standard features like heated driver seats and signature round AC vents ensure comfort, while optional noise-dampening bulkheads make the ride exceptionally quiet. However, even a van as refined as this isn't without its quirks, like USB ports inconveniently placed in the cabin. Utility remains the heart of the Sprinter's appeal. From navigating rugged terrain to carrying heavy-duty cargo, this van proves it's far more than just a box on wheels. The AWD diesel variant, in particular, holds its own against traditional trucks, offering unmatched capability for demanding tasks. Of course, premium features and performance come at a cost. With fully loaded models nearing $90,000, the Sprinter sits in a higher price bracket than competitors like the Ford Transit or Ram ProMaster. However, these rivals can't match Mercedes' sophisticated design, luxury features, and driving refinement. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 is a masterclass in versatility and premium engineering. Whether you're running a business, managing a fleet, or dreaming of van life adventures, this van is an investment that truly delivers. It's not just a van, it's a lifestyle. Are you ready to elevate your journey?